Today we will unbox a brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. The one I have is a 4 gig RAM and 64 gig internal memory. Bought this online for only 7,000 pesos. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So inside, you'll see the manual and then the SIM ejector pin, and of course may free siya na transparent jelly case, pero this one black siya. So here's the phone. Yan yung space black. Okay, yung likod niya, it's glass. I think it's Gorilla Glass. Same dun sa front niya, Gorilla Glass 5. And included sa box yung kanyang charger. This is Type-C cable. Yan naman yung kanyang SIM tray. It's ready for dual nano SIM plus the memory card. This phone weighs 6.70 ounce, and then yung dimension niya is 6.23 by 2.96. So malaki yung screen niya. So buksan na natin yung phone. For the display naman, ito yung IPS LCD, and then 16M colors. And then for the resolution, it's 1080 by 2340 pixels. Comparing to an AMOLED screen, syempre mas maganda yung AMOLED because yung black ng AMOLED talagang black eh. But this one, okay naman, vibrant yung colors, pero yung black niya may ilaw pa rin, so I think it consumes battery. So nabanggit ko kanina medyo mabigat yung phone, probably because of the battery, because yung battery niya is I think it's 4,000 milliamperes. According to GSM Marina, the battery is really 4,000 milliamperes, non-removable. So while you're setting it up, it gives you the option to choose two different themes. Itong black, and then this one is yung color blue. That's the black one. So there, setup is almost complete. And then I'll discuss about the camera naman. As you can see sa likod, quad cam siya with the 48 megapixels yung main camera, megapixels ultra wide, and then dalawang 2 megapixels for macro and depth. And then it also shoots 4K videos, guys. So at 30 fps 1080 display kaya niya. So there, look at the video, para siyang may stabilizer. So somehow, as you can see, smooth naman yung video niya. And then yung 48 megapixel na photos, ayan, vibrant yung color, medyo sharp din siya, and then when you zoom it, kita rin yung details niya. So there you go, mabilisan lang talaga to. So please subscribe.